How to enable or disable the lock screen always on display on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and in here, tap on display and brightness. Next, we scroll down and then tap on always on display. Next in here, go down and tap on always on display. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now I said here, when always on display is off, your screen will turn off when iPhone is locked. So if I switch it off, and if I lock the screen, it will stay off. If we turn it on, and when I lock my screen, it will stay on. Now in here, I also have the additional options to show or don't show the wallpaper and to show or don't show notifications on the always on display screen. So here, if I turn off wallpaper, you can see it will display a black background. And if I choose to turn on show wallpaper on my always on display, will also show a wallpaper on the background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.